Active collaboration between researchers and academics in research institutes and water practitioners in professional associations is a highly successful path toward the design of innovative and appropriate solutions. This is the context between LNEC and the 6 water associations hosted there. The complementarity of their missions and activities contributes to more intelligent use of water, bringing the maximum value to society in a sustainable path. The Portuguese Water Resources Association's target audience and membership are researchers, academics, water utilities, municipalities, and students. It aims to stimulate multi-sectorial and interdisciplinary treatment of issues related to the quantity and quality of inland, estuarine, and coastal waters, both surface and groundwater, providing a forum for professionals from various backgrounds and sectors of activity working in the field of water resources. The Portuguese Association for Environmental and Sanitary Engineering aims to, among others, study, analyze and discuss aspects related to water supply, drainage, treatment and final disposal of wastewater, and the collection, treatment and final disposal of solid waste to contribute to the implementation of better, feasible and sustainable solutions. It provides up-to-date information on relevant topics to its target audience, which comprises researchers, academics, municipalities, water utilities, consultants and regulators. Internationally, it represents Portugal in the IWA, together with APRH and APDA, the EWA, WEF and ISWA. The World Association for Waterborne Transport Infrastructure, Portugal aims to promote in Portugal and in conjunction with the PIANC International the conditions of operation and safety of inland and maritime navigation, encouraging progress in the design, construction, management, maintenance and operation of waterways, ports and their protection structures, always bearing in mind environmental problems. Facilities for fishing and nautical recreation activities are also part of PIANC's field of action. The Portuguese Water Partnership's mission is to promote an effective link between professionals, institutions and companies to project the knowledge and skills of the Portuguese water sector in the world and to catalyze opportunities in international markets, namely within the framework of the Sustainable Development Goal Agenda. The Portuguese Association of Companies that are acting in the environment sector, AEPSA, targets its audience in companies of the environmental sector, government, licensing, regulatory entities, municipalities, similar associations, NGOs, academia, and society at large. It aims to represent the interests of private companies in the environmental sector, with an emphasis on those working within the circular economy and environmental sustainability framework in the areas of water supply, collection and treatment of urban and industrial wastewater, collection, treatment and management of urban solid waste, of industrial, banal and hazardous waste, collection and treatment of contaminated soils, and degraded industrial and mining areas, use and production of renewable energy. The Lisbon International Centre for Water, LisWater, is a knowledge and training centre dedicated to the improvement of public policies, regulation and management of water and sanitation services, thus contributing to more effective, efficient and resilient services for the benefit of society. Its target audience is governments, political leaders, public entities with responsibilities in the water sector, water utilities, development support agencies, relevant industries and society in general. Jointly, the water associations at LNEC have impacted a large number of professionals, researchers and public and private institutions over the years. Annually, Around 2,000 people and institutions are impacted. Amongst them, they ensure representation in the most important national institutions in the water sector. For example, they integrate the advisory and/or management board of the Ministry of the Environment, the Portuguese regulator, and water administrative offices, just to mention a few, and their expertise is requested for the elaboration of the most significant strategic plans in the water sector. Together, we aim to foster efficient and sustainable water services, integrated management of water, talent renewal, enhancement of the social valorization of water services, sustainable, resilient, and livable cities. We all share the conviction that each one of us plays a role in the attainment of these objectives, aware that the combination of the contribution of our associations with that of other relevant institutions in the water sector in Portugal and abroad greatly enhances the potential impacts of our activities individually. We firmly believe in the increasing relevance of partnerships and collaborative work in a setting of increasingly complex, multidisciplinary, and diverse challenges.